2, 1, launch.
Welcome to Camp Week. I'm Dina Antaporta, Inspired by Science President and Camp Director. This is my family. We've all been working really hard to get camp ready for you guys, and we hope that you enjoy all the fun activities we've put together for you. Take a look at some of these awesome prizes here that you can win. I would kind of like to stick my name in the drawing myself, and I keep trying, but they won't let me. So anyway, we hope you have a great time this week. All right, let's go through the camp bag that you got today. Every day is going to have its own bag. All right, so you have one for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There's no science activities on Friday. We're going to have a video showing some demonstrations, and we're going to do the grand prize drawings on that day. So that's why you only have 4 bags. So each bag is going to have 2 smaller bags inside. And that's because we will have 2 activities. We're going to have a science activity for each day and a STEM challenge for each day. You will receive the instructions through the videos that you will be watching on our website. There's no written instructions anywhere in this bag. You have to watch the videos. So for the STEM challenges, you'll be given a STEM challenge for, say, Monday. And that's all we're going to do is just tell you how we want you to do it, go over the supplies a little bit. The next day, we're going to show you how we did it. We also want to see how you guys are doing and what you guys are up to. So send us photos, send us comments so we can have some interaction with you guys. We'd love to see what you're up to. So every day has its own supplies. Keep the supplies in the bags until you're ready to do the activity. You won't be ready to do Tuesday's activity on Monday because you won't have access to that video yet. So stay with the daily bags. In other words, Monday bag is the only bag you're going to open on Monday, and so forth through the week. Now let's see what else is in this camp bag. You have some safety glasses. Good idea to wear those. You have a stress ball. You have a Devon pencil. And we have some, oh, this is very important, tape. This tape is for you to use throughout the week on your projects. We also have a salt sample from Webb. And we have a science journal. This will come in very handy whenever you're designing your STEM challenges. It's a much better idea to design first and then cut, because you can cut and bend and tape and tear and whatever these supplies whenever you're doing your STEM challenges, because it's up to your imagination. But don't do any of that unless you really know that's what you want to do, because it's really hard to tape things back together. And lastly, we have a tape measure. And this is pretty cool because it also has a level on the top, has a little bubble on there, and it tells you if something's level. I think that's pretty cool. It also has a little pad here under the flap that you can write down measurements, and has a little pen here. I want you to use this whenever you are building something or you're going to drop something from a certain height, because some of these challenges require you to do that. Measure a height, measure the width of something, measure the length of something. Put this to good use. It's a good way to use your math skills. Now, be sure to sign in every day, because that's how you become eligible for the daily prizes that we're going to have. And we're going to do those drawings every day after 5 o'clock. Now you're going to hear from a couple of people whose companies provided the money to make our camp free this year.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Inspired by Science 2020, your fun online version of camp this year with everything that's going on. Just about give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what the next week is going to look like. I'm Kush with Nuclear Waste Partnership.
And I'm Shannon with Devon Energy.
And we look forward to seeing all the fun things and projects that you guys are going to do over the next week. So, I understand you're going to be taking part in some of the projects as well, Shannon.
I am. I'm going to be participating in all of the projects and the STEM challenges along with all the kids. I'm also going to submit some photos of me doing it because there's going to be prizes
Ooh,
every day.
cool.
10 prizes if you participate. And the more you participate, the more chances you get to win one of those daily prizes.
That's awesome. Maybe I'll take part too.
No.
Oh. But let me tell you a little bit about what you guys can look forward to. I know there's going to be a project where you build a bridge. We've got projects lined up with a parachute involved. Parachute, cool. Where do I jump out of a plane? Not quite that fun, but a pretty fun indeed. We've got some eggs coming up. We've got some pennies coming your way. And parents' favorite word, we've got some slime. So if you guys get involved with slime and it gets just a little bit messy, remember to help your parents clean up. This message brought to you by Kirsten Shannon.
Yes. I know that parents are going to love us for that. But I also think that parents are going to love us for bringing all of this to the kids, because we know you've been stuck at home and it hasn't been so much fun learning online. Now we're going to give you a chance to get your hands dirty, make some cool projects, enjoy some time with science, and really see how science really is a part of your everyday life.
It's awesome.
It is, isn't it?
Yes, it
I know
is.
at Devon, we have a lot of jobs that are like basically just science in action. What about you guys?
Just for us too, at NWP, a lot of scientists, a lot of chemists, physicists, things like that. And it's also a great opportunity for both of us to partner up in the community here and get together and bring out something fun for you guys.
Yes. So remember, kids, the more you participate through comments or photos, the more chances you have to win. And it also gives us a chance to feel like we're really with you at camp this year, even though we've had to do it virtually. So we can't wait to see what you guys come up with.
And remember, at the end of camp, there's going to be some super jumbo, fantabulous, super fabulous prizes in the end as well. So we're looking forward to seeing what you guys can do.
Yeah, we are. So we can't wait to see everything. You guys make sure to pick up your packs on time and don't touch anything until it's time to start camp.
Go inspired by science.
Yes.
I hope that you have a great time doing these activities this week, and I hope you learn a lot, and I hope to see a lot of what you've been doing.